Okay, good day, and yeah, welcome back again to our channel. And if you're new, please do like and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so that you'll be updated every time that I post a video regarding to the update of Bitcoin and other coin or other market that available for us to take. So for now, let's focus on Bitcoin. So Bitcoin is currently trading above 92k, but there's a rejection happened here. So there's the first rejection here. As you can see, the first week of the body candle in this area, and then there's another week in this body candle area. So there are two week or WI. So the this candle is called week for those who don't know yet. So this there are two week in this frame. So there's another week popped in this area. So we can anticipate or we can interpret this one as a bearish sentiment for now, but it is not yet confirmed or it is not yet valid in my point of view because it really need to break the 92k before it can be called a reversal. For now, this is just a short-term retracement. It might drop below 95k area, 95 100 or 95 200, this area, and then bounce. Or worst case scenario, break the 92k and continue to drop below uh, 88k, or worst case scenario can still drop down to 85 or 86k, down to 84k. Breaking the 84k can drop down the price to 78 or 75k. 70 76k. So that's our take to the current price of Bitcoin. So we are currently shorting right now. We are shorting the market and we are riding this candle. We are currently riding this candle. Sorry for the losing connection of my voice. So we are currently riding this candle. So we are if we pull a Fibonacci retracement, we are currently in the we are inside the golden zone. Okay, we are inside the golden zone. So the candle right now is trading inside the golden zone. So chances are it might drop. I cannot assume or I cannot tell you precisely the exact price, and I cannot tell you whether it can penetrate that 92k. The only thing we can do is wait for the market to tell us what is going to happen next. Because breaking the 92k, it will s- uh, it will signal us to short the market because it will drop. That's a major support. If a major support is break or broken, it might retest. Then if a failed retest will happen, then it will continue to drop. Wait for this one. Okay. For now, we are shorting. We are shorting the market. Why? It's because if we go to the weekly time frame, let's delete this one. If we go to the weekly time frame, we can plot this trend line. Here, I'm going to solidify the line and enhance the thickness. So there's a solid candle closing here, but we did not include the wick because it can considered as a fake out. Okay, so we haven't included the wick. Okay, so this happened to close. I plotted the trend line on the solid candle. So here's the solid candle here, and then there's another solid candle here. The problem with this one is we can still create a long wick in this area, hitting the 100k or 102k. It is possible, but I cannot assure that it will happen because of the this trend line. Price is currently respecting the trend line. Okay, the first time it reject here, plotting the trend line, it 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 market respected the trend line, and then it is now currently repeating hap what happened here. Okay, so what happened here, kind of bit repetition of what happened in this area. So if we check the market right now, it is currently turning red, but this is still in the bullish trend because as you can see here, opening this is the opening of this candle, this area, and this is the closing of this candle. So if we plot this one, we can put a solid stop loss here. If you are trying to long the market, you're planning to buy long, stop loss will be in this area. So if your entry was here, somewhere in this area, make sure you put your stop loss in this area, the blue line or the opening candle, because if ever this will not hold, then it might penetrate the 92k and drop the price, which can cause harm on your account. So always put risk management on your trade for your own safety. For now, Bitcoin is currently retracing. Okay, so also in this point of view of mine, though this is not a solid candle, but this is the higher high. We got higher high here, and then this is just for me this is a pullback of Quasimodo chart pattern, and it might continue to drop the price downward. Who knows, this is the top of the market? Who knows? We cannot tell. I cannot tell. But judging the chart, if this will really hold in this area, then high probability, smart money concept, it might drop the price back to this zone, or worst case scenario might mitigate this area. Take this one. 54k? I don't know. Pull the price. Drop to 50k. I mean, 50%, which is 62k. 62 563. Extended target will be the 51 371. Worst case scenario, 35k drop. It can never happen if there's no negative news coming. So all of this will materialize, depend on the news that are going to release this coming May 8th and up to the future news that are going to release each month in the whole year of 2025. Okay, for now, uh, yeah, I think it can still go up, but this is my most feared structure right now. This one. Then after hitting